Formal nang naihain sa Kamara ngayong araw ang impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Bandang alas 4:30 kaninang hapon, opisyal na tinanggap ni House Secretary General Reginald Velasco ang complaint na sama-samang isinampahan ng ilang civil society organizations, religious leaders, sectoral representatives at ilang kaanak ng mga nasawi sa war on drugs ng nakaraang administrasyon. Inendorso ito ni Akbayan Party List Representative Percival Sendana at suportado rin ni dating Senadora Laila De Lima. Kabilang sa mga grounds na tinukoy ng mga complainant laban sa Vice Presidente ay ang culpable violation ng konstitusyon, graft and corruption, bribery, betrayal of public trust at iba pang high crimes. Pagtitiyak naman ni Sec. Gen. Velasco, dadaan sa tamang proseso ang reklamo at tututukan nila itong maigi.
It is crucial to underscore that addressing an impeachment complaint is not a discretionary act for the House of Representatives, but a constitutional obligation. The Constitution prescribes clear steps to ensure fairness and adherence to the rule of law. Accordingly, the House of Representatives will proceed with its duties on this matter, strictly adhering to the Constitution, its rules, the principles of due process.
Sa araw na ito, we are here in the House of Representatives bravely supporting the petition of citizens kasi naniniwala tayo na ito ay responsibilidad ng ating pong institusyon. They have to give this complaint a fair chance and a fair day in court. Mahalaga po itong impeachment complaint na ito para simulan na yung totoo na step process towards holding the Vice President accountable.